This is the new office. So this is the empty room in which we're going to be moving in. It's something like 4 by 4.5 meters in terms of width by length, and it's got mostly white walls except that lovely brick wall, the lovely windows, and this lovely age-looking industrial floor. But in terms of the first wall here, we're going to have Finlay's desk, which is a 2-meter long wooden desk from IKEA with Alex drawers on the left side supporting it, black legs on the right side supporting it, typical monitor, laptop stand layout, a desk lamp on either side, and then a nice plant on the right side of it. Now for the wall to the left of this is the wall we've kind of planned for the least. On the left side of it, we're going to have the shelving unit, probably put some camera gear and that sort of stuff on there. And then possibly on the right side, not 100% sure yet, but maybe a little coffee machine on a bar, something like that, a coat hanger. The wall after that, the brick wall, my favorite wall is the wall where we're going to have the couch right dead in the center, a nice brown couch with an overhanging light to the right side of that, and then you'll get a little glimpse of the whiteboard to the left of that, and we'll probably put a radiator there as well. Now for the final wall, this is where my desk is going to be. It's going to have a 2.5 meter long IKEA grey desk with some trestle legs on the left supporting it, 2 legs on the right side, a little black storage unit underneath, and then the typical monitor, speakers, lamp, plant, just really completing the room and completing the desk setup. However, in order to actually do this and pull this off, we needed to get all the boxes up about 3 flights of stairs, and it was a lot of work and there was a lot of boxes, as you can see. And basically everything that we need is in these boxes. Everything for these boxes cover the desk, the lights, the lamps, everything basically except for the couch and the carpet because they're getting delivered a little bit later. But all the desk equipment, monitors, furniture, etc. all here. Anyway, then we started putting things together.
I can focus, just finally see what it means to be living.
Anyway, very slowly after a lot of time things started to come together one by one. Got to try out the lamp, which looked quite cool.
Does it go up and down?
And just continue to work for a bit longer.
Here? The notch.
Oh.
They've given us room.
As fun as it looked, as time passed, frustrations and struggles did increase.
Put it in, Bodie. Bodie, put it in. Give me the screw. Give me the screw.
Move, woman. I hate you.
Stop.
Where'd the screw go?
And so we took a little break. A little bit more work was done, we finished our final IKEA build, and then we said our goodbyes.
Goodbye.
Thank you. The notch.
So, here we have assembled most things. That Alex drawer had a problem with the pieces, they gave us the wrong pieces, so we're gonna have to finish that later. All the rubbish is here. That's kind of the remainder of things, which is basically the worktops for the desks and just tech equipment. And then there's this lovely shelving unit and this little under desk unit that's going to go under my desk. But first thing we got to do is deal with all of this cardboard.
It's about as flat as it's going to get. What am I supposed to get down? It's quite high.
Yeah.
Oh.
Anyway, now what we wanted to do is start to put together the desk. So we started off with my desk, and the first thing that we needed to do was actually screw in the actual table legs into the tabletop. And this was slightly tricky because there were no holes in the tabletop to begin with. And the reason being for this is because I actually got this tabletop as a kitchen tabletop from IKEA. And this is a fun little fact, a little piece of advice. If you want a wider selection of tabletops from IKEA, and often a nicer selection, and if you're looking for a particularly large desk, in this case it's 2.5 meters, then the kitchen tabletops tend to have a nicer selection from IKEA than what they offer for actual desks. Anyway, with the trestle legs, with that nice black unit, with that oak lamp on the desk, it all starts to slowly come together, especially as you're starting to see that oak on grey theme that I'm really trying to go for with my desk. And then for Finlay's desk, it was pretty much exactly the same thing, except because this was an actual desk and not a kitchen tabletop, there were already some holes in it, which made it a little bit easier, but not that much easier, to be honest. Slid the Alex drawer underneath, put the tabletop on top, and that was that. So this is what we've done so far. We've got the shelving unit, we've got the lamp, radiator, whiteboards, lights, the 2 desks. Haven't put anything on the desks yet. And that is basically it so far. What we're gonna do next is we're going to actually start putting the equipment onto the desks. So the monitors, laptops, and kind of just setting up the desks. After that, we're gonna put the carpet and then the couch, and then that will be mostly it for now. I don't know if we're gonna make any changes in future. May think of putting a little bar table here, and then maybe leaving this wall blank for a projector, or maybe getting a projector screen pulled down from there. I don't know, things to think about for now, but as of right now, we're almost there. We're almost there. So yeah, that is basically it for now. If we just try turning the lights off and see what it's looking like. I think with the lamps, it's looking a bit nicer. Still got to turn that lamp on. Probably gonna get a lamp for this desk. And maybe brighter lights because they are quite dark, but we'll see. But yeah, that's basically it for now. Now for setting up the components of the desks themselves, first desk we did was Finlay's desk, which consisted of unboxing the monitor, which is a 32-inch curved 16:9 1440p monitor. Now we didn't really splash the cash here, we kind of went for something about £200, so we're trying to save money here. But additionally, other than that, it was a laptop stand, mouse mat, mouse, keyboard, and that was pretty much it for the components of this desk. Now for my desk, first thing we bought was a 34-inch ultra-wide 1440p curved monitor. This one was about £270. The last monitor that I owned was nicer than this, but I've been trying to save money at the moment. Maybe we'll upgrade at some point in the future, but that's what we're doing for now. And then other than that, laptop stand like Finlay's desk. However, this one's a little bit more versatile. You can move it up and down. There's a little bit more movement in it. It kind of gives this look as if the laptop's floating next to the monitor and just gives you a little bit more adjustability. This laptop stand is about £60 if I remember correctly, but all of the stuff that we bought for this office are going to be linked below in the description. So if you're interested in anything, it's all linked below. Now, as I was trying to save money, I did really cheap out on the speakers I bought for this desk, which was not a good idea because they didn't end up sounding good whatsoever. I do not recommend them, but they just ended up looking really nice with the desk, which I probably should have been, I don't know, maybe I should have prioritized a little differently. This is Josh. This is Finlay.
Yo.
This is Finlay's current desk so far. My current desk so far. The whiteboards. The shelving unit, and that's the current room so far. So I'm going to finish the rest of this desk tomorrow, deal with the cable management a little more if I can, put a carpet, put a couch, and that's what we're doing next. Right, Josh?
That's right. Oh, you didn't even get to see Adam. Oh no, you did see Adam.
Finlay, what are you doing?
I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing.
This is cable management.
Yeah. Yo. Oh shit, you're filming me.
So in terms of cable management, what's really good here is kind of from this sort of angle, you're not really seeing any cables except that single cable going across the back there, and that's because all of our extensions are there, so all the extension cables have to go around. However, once you go down, get a little bit of a closer look at what's going on. There's a lot of a mess, a lot of things going up on the top of the underneath part of the desktop, and the reason for that is because the extension cable is hidden behind this black unit. Doesn't really bother me because I don't ever really need to access that. Everything's plugged in ready. I don't really need to unplug anything. So for me, this is what works well and keeps it looking clean from this angle. However, in Finlay's case, he's got the single extension cable in the center because he does like to unplug things and quick access to it, which is why it's there. So it's not as clean looking. However, there is just that one cable going up, and other than that, it's quite clean. So that's the current cable management situation. Anyway, other than that, final thing to do is set up the carpet and the couch. There are a few other things I want to do for the office, but that's going to be in part 2 of the video, just to finish off and refine the office.
Alright, let's start building this then. Music on, camera going, let's go.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, the carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day.
I want a hot chocolate.
I want chicken wings.
Do you want to go get chicken wings now? I'll get a hot chocolate.
Sounds orgasmic.
Alright, let's do it.